everyone, how are you doing? I am Anitesh Verma and welcome to my channel Annie's World. I hope you all love cake. It is a very tasty snack. Today I am going to make a banana and walnut cake. So let's start. So first we'll take 3/4 cup oil. And 3/4 cup grinded sugar. So we have put the two ingredients. Now we are going to mix this. Okay guys, so we have mixed both of the ingredients. The sugar is dissolved in the oil. So now we can put 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Okay, so this is mixed. Took me a lot of time. Let's add half bowl suji or semolina. Okay, so we have mixed all of the things. So you will notice that this batter is thick. So we will add milk to give it a smooth texture. For this we are going to mix the milk very slowly. Yes, so when talking about milk, it is very healthy. I drink 4 glasses of milk in a day. Okay, time for the next ingredient, which is the banana mixture. So we have put the banana mixture. Let's mix this. We have the batter is almost ready. So if you want a little brown color, you can add half spoon chocolate powder or coffee powder. So we have mixed all the ingredients. Now we have the baking soda, vanilla extract and walnuts left. So let's add the baking soda. Like 1/4 spoon. Now we'll mix it. Let's add the vanilla essence. And our final touch, walnuts.
Mix it well.
So we have a batter ready. So we'll do the preparation of baking our cake. So we are going to make a cake on the gas tandoor. So we'll light the stove and put the tandoor. So my mother is doing this. My mother is here the gas stove. Okay. So we have kept the gas tandoor to heat for 5 minutes. Here we'll light the stove on medium flame. So till it's heating up, let's grease the pan. So we parchment paper. So the gas tandoor is heated up for 5 minutes. So we are ready to put the batter for baking. And we will make a very tasty cake. So now we can decorate the cake with some chopped walnuts. So we have put the batter to bake. So we are going to put this for around 20 to 25 minutes. So it is put for baking, and till that time let's have some fun. So what can we do for next 25 minutes? Yes, let's dance. So the cake is baked, so we don't know what is going to come out from underneath the lid. So my mama is going to help me figure out what is underneath the lid. Is it going to look like? Wow! It looks so yummy.
Oh.
This looks very yummy.
And we'll check this.
Now we are going to check this with this stick. And if the stick comes clean, that means the cake has cooked. We'll put this here.
Yeah, it's clean.
It's a clean, so the cake is perfectly cooked. Friends, now we have our cake ready to be cut. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more amazing and interesting videos. Bye bye.